Hi, this is Naveen. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you garlic shrimp stir fry with fresh parsley. It's a quick and easy recipe. You can cook it in under 20 minutes. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make shrimp butterfly. You're going to love it. So let's get cooking. Here I've used pre-cooked shrimp which have been peeled, deveined and tails off. So this doesn't take too long to cook. Tomatoes, green chilies and the onions make a nice base for the stir fry. We're going to add all the spices into the cooked vegetables. Then we add the shrimp. The shrimp is going to cook really fast in about 5 to 10 minutes. Here I forgot to take out the seeds from the lemon. Some of it have fallen into the pan. Just some extra work for me. If you love this video, I would really appreciate it if you could share it with your friends and family. This would really help my channel grow. It's a small channel. Your help is really appreciated. Thank you.